So since we've installed Git on our Mac, we can now go ahead and get the SourceTree graphical user interface frontend for this. So let's do this and just open up a web browser and then go to SourceTreeApp.com. So that brings you to the download page for macOS and Windows, and let's go ahead and download this for macOS. Let's go ahead and do this, and we are ready to go ahead and install this, which is in this case as simple as just going to the applications folder in the Finder and then just dragging and dropping SourceTree into there. Now we are ready to open up SourceTree. So let's do this. And of course, there's right now a little bit of a security problem because macOS is very, very peculiar with downloads from the internet. So let's go to System Preferences and to Security and Privacy and tell the system that we want to open SourceTree anyways, and go ahead and do this. And once again, yes, you want to open this. So, and now we are ready to go. So, in order to get a license, you can use SourceTree without a Bitbucket account, but you will have to have a Atlassian account. So let's go ahead and not create a Bitbucket account. And then our author name and then the email address. I usually like to use my personal email address for these kind of things, but as always with Git, you can choose these on a per repository basis, so whatever you pick here for the default is fine because you can always change this later. Let's go ahead and do this, and we're already in business. So and we can now connect to a remote system and could actually clone something. But before we're going to do that, we're going to just install our IDE and complete our toolchain before we actually do that.